श्रीभगवानुवाच अनाश्रितः कर्मफलम् कार्यं कर्म करोति यः.
Then in the 17th verse, he says, to him who is regulated, he mentions that here, to him who is regulated in eating, recreation, and action, regulated in action, who is regulated in sleeping and waking, yoga becomes the destroyer of sorrow. So now he gives us a formula. If anyone is going through suffering and sorrow, please check how you are in touch with the world. Are you regulated, moderate, temperate, or are you going through these extremes? That was mentioned in the 16th verse. So now, why does he give these three words? Now, we don't understand that. I'll put it on the screen so that you can make a note of it. Eating, recreation, action. Now, these three, you could say, constitute the traffic of life. The philosophical terms that we use for each of them, eating would be receipt of stimuli, recreation would be reaction to stimuli, and action would be response to stimuli. Keep this in mind. So when he says eating, it means receipt of stimuli. This is the traffic of life going on. So when you are in contact with the world, your eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin will constantly be receiving stimuli from the world. From the moment you wake up in the morning till you retire at night, every day of your life.